Becoming a millionaire may seem like a rare task, but in reality, it's a lot more common than you think. There are about 42 million millionaires worldwide in 2022, up from 36 million the year before, according to Credit Suisse annual Global Wealth Report. So, guys, today we are going to talk about very practical stuff. In this short video, we will cover about 12 signs indicated by the stock market crash which will determine whether you're on a track to become wealthy or not. But before that, as usual, subscribe to the channel where we bring to the great relevant useful content about money. Also, check the link in the description below for the best stock market and forex market advisory firms where you can get to know about right kind of stocks to invest in which will reap profits in long term. So, let's begin. The right mentality can help you on the road to wealth. So, here are the 20 signs that are destined to bring in big money according to stock market crash. Number 4 is to get started making money at a young age. One of the most common signs indication to become wealthy is that it is essential to begin earning money at a very young age. For instance, a 12-year-old Mark Cuban sold trash bags door to door. Warren Buffett sold packets of gum to his neighbors when he was just 6 years old. If you had this sign and spirit as a child, then that's a solid indicator that you have always been on the lookout for ways to make more money. So, we come to number 2, that is to be an overachiever. Let me ask you a question. Were you that student who wasn't satisfied with the B grade in class? As a billionaire, it is a must to have a mindset to shoot big. It is not being a good sign to be satisfied with making just $1 million. Aim to make $10 million. So we come to number 3, that is to have action-oriented mindset. Are you the kind of person who sees an opportunity in market and then takes action? If so, congratulations, because it's that kind of action-oriented mindset that can propel you to financial freedom, writes Todd Campbell, the author of the book Your Guide to Better Stock Picks. For example, it's been proven time and time again that long-term investing can produce significantly more wealth than short-term trading. Yet, many of them fail to make the most of the best long-term investment vehicle, that is the work-plus retirement plan, according to Campbell. Number 4 is to possess a sense of urgency. Another sign is that to become millionaire, you don't wait for the perfect time to invest or launch your business. Many of them realize that there's no better time than the present to start make money. Sitting back and waiting is one of the best ways to lose the opportunity to make money. So the bottom line is, start working towards your goal right now. So this brings us to the number 5, that is to be more focused, more on earning than saving. It's no secret that wealthy tend to be careful with their money. While they excel at saving and spending wisely, they also know that one of the best ways to make more money is to invest some of what they can earn. So, number 6 is to keep an open mind. You never know when an opportunity the market is going to present itself, and if you immediately shut down the thought of investing in said opportunity, then you could be losing out on making a fortune. That doesn't mean every idea is a winner, but it's important to think critically and ask the right questions before making significant moves. That's why the wealthy tend to keep an open mind when it comes to new ideas. Number 7 is that it's possible to live below your means. Another common sign that millionaires have in common is that they are usually able to live below their means. Instead of wasting your wealth, many drive practical cars, live in modest homes, and don't spend their hard earned cash on luxury items. For example, you can try to budget at least 50% of everything we make into our savings account, which we can put towards investments. These make us a lot of money in the long term. Number 8 is to be a goal setter. The wealthy spend time thinking about their long term goals and needs. You don't make a million by accident, writes Peter Vogt, the founder of the Game Changers Academy, who made his first million before 26. He said, "If it's not a goal, you sure won't hit it." So, this brings us to number 9, that is to know how to maximize your strengths. That's not to say that you shouldn't learn something new or work on some of your weaker skills. Instead, it means that you must be able to capitalize on the greatest strengths and then surround themselves with the people who can enhance their weaknesses. Number 10 is to be optimistic. People with the capacity to make millions often take responsibility. Instead, they accept challenges and look for ways to conquer them. Number 11 is to keep up with current events. The most successful people in the world kick off their early mornings by catching up on current events. For example, many entrepreneurs reportedly read publications like the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, USA Today, and the Financial Times so that they can make more informed investment decisions based on what's going on in the world. So, we come to the number 12 and the last one, that is to constantly improving yourself. While having a college degree can make a difference in determining your net worth, that degree ultimately doesn't determine if you will become a millionaire or not. Millionaires, that is most of them, are the famous college dropouts of all the time, and it hasn't stopped them from continually improving themselves by reading and learning new skills. So, this brings us to the end of the video. So, also check the link in the description below for the best stock market and forex market advisory firms where you can get to know about right kind of stocks to invest in which will reap profits in long term. So once again, thanks for watching, subscribe, hit the notification bell and have a good day.